The biggest reason people lose all their money in the stock market isn't what you think. It's because they're playing the wrong game. You could pick the greatest stock in history, but if you have the wrong mindset, you will lose. You could have the most perfect trade in the world, and you will still fail. It is literally that simple. Most people get completely destroyed because their strategy is fighting their own brain. It causes so much stress and makes you do dumb things. So in this video, I'm giving you a simple test to see if you're a patient investor or a fast trader. Getting this right will save you from losing so much money. Be honest, have you ever done this? You buy a stock to hold for years, but you're checking the price every 5 minutes. Your heart is pounding with every little move. That's wanting to be a long-term investor, but acting like a short-term trader. It's completely exhausting. Or maybe you're the opposite. You buy a stock for the long run, and you are so bored. You have to fight the urge to just do something. Sell it, buy a new one, chase whatever's popular. You feel like you're missing out while your money just sits there. That is a trader's brain being forced to play an investor's painfully slow game. I'm telling you, both of these mistakes lead to the exact same disaster, making dumb emotional decisions like panic selling at the very bottom or buying the hype at the absolute peak. The fix is simple. You need to figure out which game you were born to play. There are only two: the patient investor and the fast-moving trader. Think of it like this. The investor is planting an orchard. They find the perfect spot, plant the trees, and they know it could take 10 years to get paid. They aren't worried about a little storm next week. They're thinking about the massive harvest in a decade. The trader is like a merchant in a crazy fruit market. They aren't growing anything. They buy a bajillion bananas for cheap in the morning and sell them for more money in the afternoon. Their entire game is speed and knowing what's going to happen next. Neither is better. But if the orchard owner tries to sell bananas every day, he's gonna fail. And if the banana guy tries to plant a tree in the middle of the crazy market, he's going to get nowhere. So, which one are you? We're about to find out. Here is a quick 4-question test. You have to be 100% honest with yourself. Question 1. What's your time frame? When you think about investing money, does holding it for 5 years feel smart, or does that idea make you want to scream with impatience? An investor is comfortable waiting years. A trader thinks in minutes, days, or weeks. Question 2. How do you handle a 20% drop? A stock you own just crashed 20% in 1 week. What do you do? Do you see it as a huge sale and start researching if you should buy more? That's an investor. Or is your first thought to sell immediately to stop losing more money based on a rule you already made? That's a trader. Question 3. What do you actually like to look at? Do you want to read a 100-page super boring report on a company? That's an investor. Or would you rather watch breaking news and charts that affect the price right now? That's a trader. If you answered those questions, you now have a crazy advantage. Now that you know who you are, you can stop fighting your own brain and just do what you're good at. If you're an investor, you can finally build a system that rewards you for being patient and helps you ignore all the noise. You can stop feeling bad for not trading every single day. If you're a trader, you can build a system with insanely strict rules for when to buy and when to sell. You can stop feeling guilty for not holding stocks forever and just focus on what you're amazing at, executing your plan. This is how you escape the traps that destroy most people. Investors don't panic sell because they're playing the long game. Traders don't make stupid revenge trades because they stick to their rules. Pick the right game, and your chance of success goes way, way up. At the end of the day, the stock market doesn't care if you're a genius. It only rewards you for being disciplined. And the absolute easiest way to be disciplined is to create a strategy that works with your personality, not against it. So now you know more about yourself. I have to know. Comment below right now. Are you an investor or a trader? There are no wrong answers, only the wrong strategy for you. Let me know in the comments.